Hello, this is a quick tutorial on how to get up and running with the Fortnite Replay Processor. So first thing I'm going to do is open a terminal. The Windows equivalent is CMD. I'm going to go into our Git repo, select clone or download, and grab this little URL. Here, I'm going to navigate to the folder I want to clone into. So for me, that is desktop software projects, which is right over here. After I do that, I'm just going to do a git clone and then paste in that URL. You might have to right click on Windows to get that populated in there. While that's doing that, I'm going to open up Visual Studio. And I'm going to go to Open Folder. And here we can see that's populated in our software projects Fortnite Replay Processor. So I'm going to click on the folder and then select Open. Make this full screen so it's easier to see. In here we got two different files. Our source, which is the file that will be running, which is kind of mad. Oh, right. We'll be fixing some of these errors that it's showing in just a moment. So next we're going to go up to File, I believe, View, Terminal. There we go. Which also can be done with, I believe, on Mac it's Control and the little tilde or the tick, and then on Windows it's Command and the tick. So we'll just view the terminal. As we can see, it's dropped us in right here. So the first thing I'm going to do is do Python M, which means we want to run the module pip install virtual env. So Python 3 is going to use pip to install virtual env. And there we go. It's successfully installed that. Now we're going to create a virtual environment. So we're going to say Python 3 is going to run the module virtual env, and we're going to name our env environment env. So this is creating a virtual environment so you don't have to worry about packages colliding with one another. All right. Once you've done that, we're going to go ahead and we're going to actually go into our environment variable. So with that, we're going to do, let's see, for Mac it is source env bin activate. Oops, activate. For Windows, it'll be, oh, here, let me just type it out in just a moment. For PowerShell on Windows, it's dot backslash env backslash scripts backslash activate. And then you can click enter and that'll drop you right in. So now that we're in our environment, we're going to install our requirements.txt file. The way to do this is pip. We could either do Python 3 tach m pip, or if it's aliased, you can just run pip. So I'm just going to do pip install. The R means recursively, so we want to go through, or sorry, read. We're going to read the requirements text file to get that. So requirements.txt. Click enter. Oh, let's take a look. Requirements.txt. I'm not sure why that says Fortnite Replay Reader. Oh, that's why. I had a misspelling. Fortnite Replay Reader. I believe that is the name. Let's go ahead and try this out. Ooh, let's take a look. So we've got an error. What is our error telling us? No module name bitstring. So we're going to go ahead and do pip install bitstring first. We've collected that and installed it. Now we're going to do pip install tacr requirements.txt. There we go. And now that's gone through and it's successfully installed it. Then all we need to do is run the file from source. So what we're going to do is Python 3 for ours, because that's how it's aliased. It might be Python on your computer depending on where you're running this from and which version of Python you're using. We're going to run Python 3 src and then processor.py. And there we go. Let's see. Just kidding, there we go is not the right answer. File not found. Replays, season 3. That is because the file is named sample replays, so we're going to go ahead and edit that. Oh no, it says sample replays. Let's try this out. That's why. That is the Windows formatting. Let's put on the Mac formatting. Let's try this out. There we go. So depending on which operating system, the slashes have to go different ways. And here we can see our full thing. We've got a couple errors because the Ray package is missing weapon types, which we'll open a bug for, but that is how to get started with the processor and some of the common issues that you could run into, as I just did.